Okay, today we're going to take a look at a couple of Zippo items. Now the first one, it's called the Zippo Mag Strike, and it is a Ferrocerium rod fire starter. Of course, it's got the nice Zippo logo, but there are some disclaimers on this thing. First of all, the warning on the bottom says, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. That is the disclaimer on this package. And it's manufactured by Zippo, but it is actually manufactured to Zippo quality standards in China. So this is the Zippo Mag Strike. Let's get it out of the packaging, take a look at it. So this is the Ferrocerium striker. Well, it's the rod. Now Ferrocerium is a synthetic pyrophoric alloy. It's made of iron and purified cerium and a couple other things. There is some magnesium, about 4% magnesium, but it is not flint or pure magnesium. And it does have the Zippo flame torch, flame lighter logo on it. And here's the striker part. Also has the Zippo logo. And there's the MS or Mag Strike logo on it. And that thing looks replaceable because there's two screws right there. Lanyard hole. And this does fit. Both pieces fit together, makes a nice little package. It's got lanyard holes on both sides. Sticks pretty good together. So let's see if this thing works. Now this is Ferrocerium. It's got a low ignition temperature of about 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the striker's got a nice edge on it. Nice beveled edge. Puts out some real nice sparks. So this is the steel part that they sent with it. But let's see if you run out of this thing or lose it. Could you start it with another Chinese piece of steel? This is a Ganzo. See if I can get it going with this. Okay, so it looks like if you run out of this or lose it, the striker part, you can use any kind of steel or Chinese steel. Kind of burns the edge of the blade a little bit. That can be cleaned up. So let's take a look at the next item I have today, and it is a Zippo lighter. It arrived in a normal Zippo black box, and the label on this one is Neon Flag. It's a genuine Zippo. Now this one is made in the USA, in Bradford, PA, and it's got the neon design. Kind of a bright neon design. Nothing special about the box. And this represents the flag of the United States. Steel insert, really good sound. You can see it's on a brass case, as most Zippos are. And it was made in B of 16. I think that's 16. Nope, that's 18. B of 18. Pretty good stampings on this one. See how it fires up. Fires up nice. Let's do a drop test on this neon flag. A lit drop test. And there is an overhead fan going. But it passes the drop test nicely. That is the neon flag That's a representation of the flag of the United States of America. And I do have several, or at least 3 or 4 flag Zippos. And they definitely deserve a little cowbell. But not necessarily this Mag Strike, which was made in China. But cowbell definitely for the Zippo. Knuckle bump.